So often the bugs or some tricky situation is not going to be covered in the documentation or in the tutorials. People have just not come across the bugs and things such as that. So what you do, you can obviously look up in Google, you can look up in Stack Overflow directly, which I've already spoken about in another video. Um, so what's the alternative? Obviously, you can speak to other developers. Here is one another way that I like to search for these sort of things. Um, if you go to GitHub repository of the library or the project that you're using, for example, you can pick um, Laravel, for example, um, or you can pick some other audio library, anything like that. You can just go to the repository, then search that within the repositories. For example, I was using a library recently, having trouble with the course issue, so I was trying to load something from S3 bucket from Amazon and it wouldn't load. And I look up in the documentation, there's literally nothing there. I look up in Google, and that actually didn't show much either. So I thought, okay, let's look in the repository. And as soon as I search course in the repository, a lot of the issues pop up, and the solution is there as well. So when you're stuck, don't just be Googling all the time. A lot of times things don't appear in Google. You can go search directly on Stack Overflow, which has its own search engine. It might show up there. So keep in mind, there's many ways to search things, not just one.